In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Samsung C400 soundbar with your smartphone through Bluetooth to be able to listen music, or if you watch movies, you'll be able to hear the sound on your soundbar. Very easy. So first step is to obviously turn on your soundbar by pressing the power button. Once the soundbar is turned on, you're going to press this button right over here. Press it until you hear Bluetooth. There's a few different options. If you don't hear Bluetooth, keep pressing on it until you hear it. If not, you can also take the remote control and simply press the Bluetooth pair button. This is the easiest option, but if you don't have the remote control around, you can do it the way I just told you. Once your soundbar is in Bluetooth pairing mode, you're gonna have a light over here flashing many different colors. It's time to go on your smartphone, iPhone or Android. It works the same way. Go into the Bluetooth settings, so I'll drag down over here. I see the Bluetooth logo. I'll keep press on it. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. I'll press details. This is an Android phone, but on iPhone is about the same thing. And then I'll need to go down the list because there will be a list. And in that list, you should see your Bluetooth Samsung soundbar over here. You see, oops, I didn't click on the right one. It's this one, Samsung Soundbar C4. So click on the soundbar, wait a few seconds, click pair, and it will be paired. You'll have it in your devices up there. You see, Samsung Soundbar C4 whatever. And this is it. You'll now be able to listen directly from your phone to the soundbar without doing anything else. When time comes to disconnect, you simply need to go back into the Bluetooth settings here on your phone, click on your device, and it will disconnect. And yeah, if you prefer using your TV with your soundbar, you'll be able to do so right after that. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.